Is your Alight Motion project stubbornly refusing to export, crashing every single time you hit that export button? Don't throw your phone against the wall just yet, because I'm about to show you how to fix those frustrating Alight Motion export crashes. First, let's tackle the most common culprit, insufficient RAM. Go into your phone's settings. The icon usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to open up the settings menu. Scroll down until you find something like Apps, Applications, or Manage Apps. The exact wording will depend on your phone's brand and Android version. Once you find it, tap on it to open the list of installed apps. Now, find Alight Motion in this list. You might have to scroll quite a bit if you have a lot of apps. Once you spot it, tap on Alight Motion to open its app info page. On the app info page, look for storage or storage and cache. Tap on it. This will show you how much space the app is using, including its cache. Here's the magic. Tap on the Clear Cache button. This will remove temporary files that might be causing conflicts and crash during export. Don't worry, this won't delete your projects. After clearing the cache, try exporting your project again. If clearing the cache didn't work, let's try forcing Alight Motion to close completely. Back on the app info page, tap on the Force Stop button. This will shut down the app entirely, clearing it from your phone's memory. After force stopping, reopen Alight Motion and try exporting. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to reduce the export quality. Lower the resolution of your export. If you are exporting in 180p, try 720p. This reduces the processing power required and can prevent crash. Similarly, try lowering the frame rate. If you are exporting at 60 frames per second, try 30 frames per second. Again, this reduces the workload on your phone's processor and can prevent those annoying crashes. Complex projects with many layers and effects can also cause crash. Try simplifying your project by reducing the number of layers or removing some of the more demanding effects. Exporting smaller chunks of your project and then piecing them together in a separate video editor can also be a workaround. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped you fix your Alight Motion export crash. Keep experimenting with these solutions, and you'll be back to creating awesome videos in no time.